Hi, I am going to find age. There is three cells, one cell for years, one cell for month, one cell for days. Okay friends, I click formula and go to the date and time. I use the DATEDIF function, but you can't see the DATEDIF function here. Excel formula section doesn't contain these DATEDIF functions, but you can type this function, this formula bar. You can't find this DATEDIF function here. Okay, first of all I want to find the years, number of years. I already typed the functions. You can see equal DATEDIF and cell range. A3 mean uh, birthday, and today is the this one. Okay friends, so I think I apply these things for these cells. I clear contain. Okay, now I am going to apply this function for find this for first row. Okay, go here. Okay friends, you can see I type DATEDIF. A3 mean the birthday, B3 is the today. Okay, I want to find difference between B3 and A3 and so as a yes. Then inverted put y inside the inverted comma. You can find this formula in description. Okay, I find the numbers of years, then I am going to find the numbers of month. I use this function DATEDIF and data range and ym. Okay friends, I just copy paste these functions. A3 mean birthday, B3 today date. Okay, I find the month. Then I am going to find days. I use DATEDIF and data range with MD. Okay, then I am going to find the show the age, years, month and date. I use the this combination of functions. Okay, I just put these functions in my descriptions. You can just copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, please see the descriptions for these functions and enter. Okay, now you can see years, months, years and days here. Okay friends, now I am going to apply these functions for second rows. Okay, if you have any questions about these things, please comment below. Remember, you can't find these DATEDIF functions from these sections. Most of people ask about how to activate these DATEDIF functions for these sections, but we can't activate it DATEDIF functions for these sections. But you can just type the equal and DATEDIF. When you correctly type DATEDIF, then you can use these functions. Okay, have a nice day.